Now, this is just an unboxing. The reason for this is because I've never seen an unboxing before of a processor. It's mainly just individuals opening it up and using it for their content. So in this case, I'm just going to show you what's inside an i7-7700. Now, the reason I'm doing an unboxing for the 7700 instead of the 7700K is because just the non-K version, the one that I have, does not, or the one that I have has a stock cooler from Intel, which is definitely a plus. I mean, I would recommend something else other than a stock cooler, but it's better than nothing. And the K version does not have that, and that's because of the the heat that just comes out of it. It needs something a lot bigger, so Intel assumes that you're gonna buy something a lot bigger than what they offer, so they don't even bother by sending you one, and in this case they do. So nothing really special. There's a seal from Intel, of course, and you open it up and nice brown box, nice and compact. Now that paperwork, as you can see, does have the sticker on there, which as you can see here, I actually just put it on my iMac, and that's just mainly just for my purpose. I mean, I have it and I'm not gonna use it. I guess I am, I don't know, but in this case I do use it on my iMac, and that's just because I want to use everything that the processor has to offer. So just again checking it out, it does come in a very kind of like a thick plastic, and that's to be expected because of how delicate the processor could be. And now it is a hard piece, but you just don't want to mess with that whenever you're transporting it anywhere. And then as you can see in there, the stock cooler is in there, so don't mind my hand movement. I am doing a voiceover on as I'm editing this video, so if my voice doesn't go with my hand gestures, don't worry about that. Now, simple, you can just pull it from the side there, to take out the processor. As you can see, pretty easy. Again, that plastic is pretty hard, which is awesome. Definitely you'd feel comfortable with that being shipped just like that, not even just in the box, but just in some sort of bubble wrap would be fine as well too. Of course, with it sealed with tape. If you get it like that, don't worry, it's definitely safe. Anything else, just make sure there's a lot of bubble wraps on it and whatnot. But that is the processor. And for whatever reason, in this video I don't take out the stock cooler from the box. I don't know why, but that's just how I made this video at the time. But I can assure you it's in there on the 7700, or basically a non-K version. If you're gonna get a K version of anything Intel, do not expect this. Yeah, don't expect the stock cooler, because of the TDPs a lot higher on those. They expect you to buy something that can definitely handle that power, or the heat, excuse me. So there you have it. I'm not gonna go much into anything else. There's the processor, there's the paperwork, and of course the stock cooler. I hope you liked this video. If it did, it helped you out, or just curious, give it a thumbs up, share it. If not, you can hit that dislike button as well too. But by the time you leave this channel, please subscribe, and I hope to make more videos like this. Thanks everyone.